So today I am going to put up a video which is going to be somewhere around 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, this is a specifically warm-up video that this is something I do for myself before I open my practice every day. And it's very important. I know a lot of people think that Surya Namaskar is a warm-up, but it's very important that before you just plunge yourself into a Surya Namaskar, you properly open up your body and just warm it up, move it, stretch it, and then you dive in. And I personally focus a lot on my wrists also, because again, as soon as you dive into Surya Namaskar, there's immediately a lot of pressure going on the wrist. Yeah, so which can, as you further ahead go in your practice, can sort of develop pains in different areas. So it's not going to be a guided video. I am just going to flow very naturally the way I do and whatever I do in my practice as a warm-up. So yeah, so I will have some music with me which I will listen to in practice, and you can turn something up to also. But yeah, just that it's not a guided video, and I hope you like it in the end. So that the video is not long, I'm going to, like, my rotations are just 5, otherwise I do 10. Whatever I hold in longer, I will be holding in short, so you can hold in for as long as you want and rotate as long as much as you want. Move your toes up, up, relax. Feet together, take your hands to the top, stretching yourself all the way. Keep your feet open, shoulder distance apart in forward and back bends. Breathe in. Leave your upper body absolutely loose. Let it go naturally and organically as much as it will. sit down. We're going to start with one by one, opening our entire body. We're going to start with ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Anti-clockwise. Make sure your thighs are not lifting off the ground. We did rotation, now we're going to do stretching. Forward, back. Forward, back. Forward, 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 pull back. Let's hold here for 5. From here, pull your right leg in. Okay, we are going to do knee rotation as well as knee stretching. Just like what we did right now, okay? Hold, take your palms, hold your knee from underneath, alright? Pull it closer to your body, spine straight. Let's rotate. Anti-clockwise. I'm just doing 5 to 10 guys, okay? Relax. Pick the left leg up. Let's rotate again. Now make sure that you're not doing a thigh rotation. Okay? Hold your thigh here close to you and do a knee rotation. It's extremely warm and hot. 4, 5, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, please do 10 clockwise, 10 anti-clockwise. We are going to do knee stretching. You're going to hold your knee from the same place. Breathe in, bring it close to your body. Exhale, push it straight out and your toe inwards. Breathe in, breathe out as if you're pushing through the wind. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, push, breathe out, last. Breathe in, push, breathe out. Relax. Take your left, breathe in, push, breathe out. Breathe in, push, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. From here, curl your right leg, okay? Hold the left one, hold it, pull it close to your body and stretch your leg. Relax, take the right one out, curl the left one, pull the left in, right in. If this is uncomfortable to you, you can leave the leg like this also, okay? And just pull your leg in, hold and lift. Remember, your knee is supposed to be straight, don't be here. If you're here, keep practicing, pull in. From here, we are just going to do a leg raise, okay? This is something I like doing a lot in my openings. You can put your hands here. We'll start with the left leg. 1, 2, 3. So you're adding a little core work also with your openings. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and hold at 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. If you wish, you can do it one more time, okay? From here, so try and understand. We did our toes in the beginning, we did our ankle, we've done our knee, we're coming to our hip, okay? Come in butterfly, spine straight, shoulders relaxed. And let's do a 30 count in butterfly while listening to the music. Ten done. Ten more. And relax. From here, take your left hand, press it on your left knee, okay? Push the thigh down and move towards your left and hold. Relax. Take your right hand to your right knee and push and move towards your left. From here, sit cross-legged. Take your right hand on your left knee, take your left hand on the floor, pick yourself up and twist from your abdomen and your lower spine. Come back, left hand on your right on the floor, lift yourself and twist from your entire spine. And relax. I do this 3 times. I love twisting. I love binding asanas. So I do it 3. You can choose to do it once, 3, 4 times, as many. Okay? So we took care of opening the hips. And just to remind you, this is just an opener, just a warm up you're doing, okay, before your practice. From here, come to your shoulders. We are going to do shoulder rotation. Keep your chest open, spine straight. Push your body anti-clockwise. And relax. From here, take your fingers, put them on your shoulders, okay, and stretch. 2, make sure you're not going down, you're not going up, straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. And relax. From here, take your right hand to the back, take your left hand, hold the elbow from above, okay, and push it back. And relax. Take your left hand, hold the elbow, push it back. From here, take your hands to with your head. Close your elbows in and pull your head down. And relax. From here, intercross your fingers, take your thumbs, attach them, put them underneath your chin and push your neck up. And relax. Take your palms, take them forward. Let's rotate our wrists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 1, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Take your left hand, take it to the top. Take your right and pull the fingers back. Turn the same hand down, pull them back. And relax. Left hand straight, pull the fingers back. Take the same hand down, pull it back. And relax. From here, we're going to now move. Okay, and I'm going to change the song. Alright, so we are in a sitting posture, right? Over here. From here, you're going to take your legs, intercross them, pick your hands and just jump a little and come in a cat and cow position. Alright? Make sure that your hips are right above your knees and your wrists and shoulder are in one line. Okay, so from here, we start dripping our pelvic, lower spine, middle spine, upper spine, neck up. Exhale, pull your entire spine all the way towards the ceiling. Breathe in. Breathe out. Neck in. Breathe in. Strengthen yourself up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's do 2 more. Breathe in. And breathe out. So we did 5 slow. I tend to do 15 slow in my warm-up and I do 15 fast, okay? So we'll quickly do the fast also. Just make sure that when you're doing fast, you don't bring yourself just to a neck movement. So this is not what you're doing, okay? Stay here, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. 1 more. Breathe in and breathe out. From here, I want you to start taking your, sorry if I look funny, I want you to start taking your hands forward and bring your spine down, alright? So, if you cannot take your chest down, be on your forearm, okay? If you can, take your forearm ahead, come on your chin. If the chin is also comfortable, then push down to your chest. And let's hold here. So when I am doing a warm-up, I do a 60-second hold. We'll do a 20-second hold right now. From here, start coming up. Let your hands stay forward. Go into a mountain. Bring your left leg forward in a half lunge and make sure that your back foot, you're still on your toe. Okay? Balance yourself. Put your hands on your waist. And we're gently going to open our hip. Alright? Put your hands on your waist and let's go. 1, gently go down, come back up. 2, make sure your spine is straight. 3, 4, 5. And hold in 5. From here, put your knee down. Okay, relax your toe. Put your right hand down and take your left hand up. From here, lift your right leg up and keep holding. Keep your right hand down, right leg down, sorry, and turn your leg and come into pigeon. Okay, and let's just hold here for 10 counts. Take your hands forward, take your left leg back, come into mountain again, we're almost done. Bring your right leg forward. Again, make sure that you've not turned your back leg, okay? Bring your hands, don't fall like I'm about to. Put your hands on your waist and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put your knee down, put your left hand down and turn your right hand to the top. From here, lift your left knee off the ground and hold. Put your left knee down, take your right leg, bring it into pigeon. And let's hold in pigeon. Put your hands down. Take your left leg back. Come into mountain. Jump forward. Breathe in. Roll yourself up. Take your hands to the top. Exhale. And end. After this, you can start with your Surya Namaskars directly, or if you want to add some more stretches, you're more than welcome. This is what I do, and I hope some of you have asked for the warm-ups that I do, so I hope this suffices. And yeah, I hope you're all doing well and eat Mubarak and take care and be safe.